So, thought I'd do a quick video about why I've changed the name of the channel and taken the word homesteading out. Kind of been thinking about it for a while, actually. Wow, you guys are all dirty. That's a little better. Not really. Need to clean this lens cover. The word homesteading has some negative connotations, relating to colonialism and land theft and encouraging Europeans to flood over here onto native land and take it over, basically. And the event I like to call the Great Replacement, where Europeans came over here illegally, if we want to get semantic about it, and just came flooding in here onto native land and refusing to integrate and learn the languages or, integrate into the culture. And yeah, the whole Homesteading Act was basically encouraging land theft and genocide on a major scale out west. So after thinking about it a while, it's not great for someone with my opinions and feelings to have the name homesteading in their channel, so I took it off and replaced it with permaculture. But yeah, let's get on to a cheerier video today, which is making Halloween decorations without breaking the bank for your farm.